Today we're looking at the Tripp Trapp chair from Stokke, and this children's chair represents timeless Scandinavian design. How timeless? Well, I actually used one of these chairs myself when I was a child 4 decades ago. This style never goes out of fashion. The chair also grows with your child. Both the sitting level and the foot level can be individually adjusted. At the same time, the chair is sturdy enough to support even me as an adult. And in fact, this can be a great solution if you want to have a seat when you're working at the kitchen counter. The chair is easy to clean, and we all know how important that is when we have kids around. Another aspect is the Stokke Tripp Trapp's simple and beautiful design. This is going to fit in any beautiful home. Another benefit is that you can get many different accessories for your Tripp Trapp chair. For example, this baby bassinet for newborns, or this baby chair set that comes with a seat and a harness. If you're looking for a high quality and extremely flexible chair for your child, get the Tripp Trapp by Stokke. We're now a few months later, and the Tripp Trapp chair has been working brilliantly. Learn more about the chair and the accessories with the links in the description below the video. One of the accessories that I mentioned was the newborn set. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about that newborn set for your Tripp Trapp chair. Thank you very much for watching.